Hi guys, have you guys seen this video on TikTok? This video is doing rounds on TikTok and Facebook. So the guy that you see here messing up Izinto Zabantu is someone that is against foreigners selling on the road, just making ends meet. So I will include the video with full audio, but guys, it's really bad. Like, it's really bad. I know we want them gone, but this is just not the solution. This is not how we are supposed to be doing things. This guy is just sitting there watching someone, messing up his things, messing up with the stock that he bought with his own money. Yes, I know we want them gone by the 30th of June, but obviously they need to sell their stock. Phela ngisho i-date azikakafiki. And if they don't sell, and then how are they going to leave? Like, you can't just leave your things lying around there and go back home. It doesn't make sense. And also they will need money phela to go back home. So if we are just going to be messing up their stock like this, it really doesn't make sense. Like, this person is just not doing right. And only to find out ukuthi if this guy, the one that is selling, can call the police are going to take the side of the person that is messing up with the stock and messing up with business yomunye. So it's really bad, guys. It's really bad. Who came up with this much and much thing? Like, who came up with this? Because now it's really putting their lives in danger. It's really putting their lives in danger. Because this whole time this person has been selling there by the corner. But now, hey,
Bona ukuthi ngisebenza ngomthetho mina. Awuvale into zakho sibaba. Uvela amaphoyisa.
Sondela iveni lamaphoyisa uze nayo.
Ucabanga ukuthi uyadala wena. Awuvale amathimba. Awuvale amathimba.
Angithi sikutshelile kahle.
Wena ubani wena? Wena ubani wena? Ubani wena? Awususela amathimba akho lapha.
Sukuma ndoda, ngeke sikhulume nendoda. Sukuma ndoda.
Ukuthi hamba. Awuhambe. Ongasusa into zakhe ngizenza so. Ngicabanga ukuthi siyadlala la.
Izwe selishintshile bafethu, sifuna ukulungisa indaba zethu. Afonela amaphoyisa. Sifuna wona vela amaphoyisa. Ivideo lemfanakisi.
Ematanda, ususela amathimba akho lapha before ngizokhabala namaqanda. Susa lento zakho nawo.
Nirelaxile la ithembisa, nirelaxile. Benimasha la. Namba nophakela umthakathi. Manje seniyaqala manje. Nirelaxile nisupporta nayi YouSave. Why ningathenge YouSave? Kunini nisupporta amaPakistani sithi angathengi? Ake sinitshengise ukuthi i-date zifika zisendleleni man.
like, it's really bad, guys. As you have seen in this video with the full audio, they are swearing at him, calling him all sorts of things. I'm really glad ukuthi this thing was caught on camera, because Susanna, this guy is not being fair. And I hope the police will deal with this accordingly and not look at who is not from South Africa or who is what. Yes, we want them gone, but violence is really not the solution. Imagine you've been selling there at that corner like for like 5 years, and then now you are forced to take your stuff and go. Yes, they must go, they must leave, but not like this. Not like this. And also, from what I heard, it's only people that don't have papers that are leaving, don't have the legal papers. So what if Ubaba Wabantu has the right papers? He has everything, he has a permit and all of that. Because it's not, I think people have this whole thing mistaken. It's not everyone that is leaving. from my understanding, I'm not sure, but I stand to be corrected. It's the people that don't have the correct papers to be in South Africa, people that are here illegally. It's the ones that are leaving. So what if this person has the right papers, has the, passport yake is up to date and has a permit? So he is also forced to leave because he is not from South Africa. Like, yo, it's really bad. Shem. I really feel for this guy. And the Pakistans are still selling there at their shops. They are not attacking them. They are just attacking the poor guy because they know that they can take advantage of him. Hi, it's really bad. Shem. Please leave a comment in the comment section down below, guys.